Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove gift card from Starbucks app. So I'm going to open Starbucks app online and you need to sign in into your account. So once you sign in, let me show you the quick method, that is the gift that you want to remove the gift card. And if you have any gift card here, you simply need to check balance and you can see your detail. But let's suppose if you have a card, you simply need to select that card and you simply need to remove from here as well, and you can do the same process on the app as well. So this is the process how you can remove gift card from Starbucks app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.